Discover the future through a tribute to the past. Introducing the latest offerings from renowned MG Restomod specialist, Frontline Cars. Presenting the all-new Frontline LE60, the most powerful and bespoke creation yet. Celebrating 60 years of the MGB and 30 years of Frontline, this limited edition masterpiece is set to redefine the Grand Tourer experience. With its widened track and body, the LE60 utilizes a powerful 4.8-liter Rover V8 engine, delivering 375 bhp, almost triple the power of the original MGB. Its engineering upgrades promise an unmatched driving experience. But that's not all. Frontline takes a step into the future with the BEV edition, an all-electric marvel that continues the legacy of the classic MGB. Offering engaging, fun, and emissions-free driving, the B models bring sustainability to the forefront. The B GT Coupe and B Roadster, both with a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution and fitted with advanced electric motors, embody the perfect blend of tradition and innovation. At Frontline, we believe in the power of personalization. Every customer gets a unique experience, tailoring their car's exterior, interior, and features to suit their preferences. Crafted with precision and passion, every Frontline vehicle is a testament to years of dedication and engineering excellence. Join us at the Bicester Heritage Sunday Scramble on the 8th of October to witness the future of classic motoring. For more details, contact Connor at frontline-cars.co.uk. Frontline Cars, redefining classics, embracing the future.